At Stage Door Cafe, right behind me. So I always get the chicken nugget meal. It's like less than $7. It's like $6.85 or something. But you get chicken nuggets, you get French fries, you get a soda. I get the kids meal. It's the kids meal that's the key. But it's so satisfying. I love it. It's one of my favorite things to eat here at Disneyland. You guys should try it. Me and Chris are hungry. Is that inside? Everything's closed.
When's it open?
About 2 minutes.
What?
What?
No, chicken nuggets! And some of the other items they got is like fish and chips, and then they got the corn dog. But it's all about the kids power pack right there. Chicken nuggets, baby, with French fries. Got the chicken nuggets too. He got it with the butter ranch, barbecue sauce,
And buffalo.
and buffalo sauce.
And buffalo. That 3-sauce combo.
3-sauce combo. How many fires? 5 fires. Obviously, look at mine. I give it 5 fires.
What, your chicken nuggets?
Chicken nuggets. Disney Bae foodie. We gave the chicken nuggets 5 fires. If you want, it's Stage Door Cafe. Please crush the like button right now. Please subscribe. Thank you for following my journey here at Disneyland 2018. Here we come. Disney Bae is gonna be firing it up. I'm the main host, Mondo.